Wagwan guys, today I want to share with you guys a natural juice that we make. You know how daddy is always blending up his carrot on Sunday for our Sunday juice. And today he's gonna put a different spin on it, all natural, no milk added. So if you want to see this recipe, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are the Baileys, and today my husband is making the Sunday dinner as usual, guys. So he's just like mixing the juice and everything, all the nice things there, right? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to prepare your fruits and your vegetable that you're gonna be blending. For us, we like to scrape the carrot a little bit, like cut off both ends. And for our pineapple, we're just gonna peel it completely and take off all the skin. And this is a very big pineapple, nice big juicy pineapple we got at Food Basic this week. And now he's peeling the mango. This was like the best mango in the store. Literally, I was there picking up mango after mango. But I'm a big mango person. I love mango. And I'm not able to go to Jamaica to get any East Indian or Julie, Blackie, and all the good things. They're known by 11 mangoes. My mango days are like limited. Okay, so after you wash and scrape your carrots and peel your pineapple and peel your mango, you want to cut all your fruits and all your vegetables into very small pieces that you can put in the blender, okay? This is ginger that he's cutting up. So, ginger give everything pretty much a nice kick, nice flavor.
Here.
Okay. You won't be able to blend everything together, right? Because the blender can only hold so much and no more. So for what we do is to just blend as much as we can. So we'll probably blend 3 different sets, right? And then we can continue from there. Oh yes, this is looking so rich. Love how it's looking. Now we're gonna use a strainer to just extract the juice from the fruits and vegetable. After you use the strainer, you can definitely use like a thin piece of cloth just to make your juice very smooth, okay? Okay, so he's just gonna be mixing the juice right now.
One spoon.
One big spoon. Hey.
One more.
Mm.
So you're not sure what you know.
It looks good.
One with carrot,
Mhm.
pine, ginger, lime juice, but not now.
Okay, you're gonna put lime juice in it after?
You can put it around the glass.
Oh. Fancy?
Nice.
Okay. Good?
You could add a little more ginger.
Okay.
If you are careful.
Yeah. Okay guys, so the juice is ready. Here is just slicing some lemon to use it to decorate the glass. Yes, fancy fancy Sunday. I mean, you don't have to wait to go to a restaurant to nice up your thing. You can nice up your things right there at home, okay? And guys, just like that, the juice is ready. And I can tell you guys, it was so nice and so refreshing. All natural and healthy juice for you. I hope you guys liked this video today. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Take care. Bye.